Okay, welcome to Mobile Graphics. In this particular tutorial, we'll be talking about photo retouching in picsart. We're talking about high-end photo retouching in picsart and frequency separation in picsart. So let us dive into the tutorial. So we're going to be going to our gallery and pick our subject matter. So let us go. We're going to be picking a raw image to work with. Okay, this is a raw image. First thing we're going to be dealing with is the acne. You can see the pimples that are on the face. So what we'll go to first, we are not going to be using Blemish. When you go to retouch, there's a Blemish here you can use, but we're not going to be using that Blemish. So we'll be going to tools. In tools, we use remove. So that is only if you are using the pro version. You subscribe to the pro version of this picsart, and if you want this particular picsart that I'm using, I can drop the file on my drive so you can download from there, and the password will be in this video. So let us go. So now you just touch on those pimples. It will be just touch on it, press on remove. So you need your data while you're doing this because picsart uses data. So you can see them, just touch on them, don't let it be too wide so that it won't deal excessively with the image. So touch on whatever you don't want from the image, and let us see the magic. Yeah, sorry, it's loading. Okay, let us wait for the magic. Okay, I think something went wrong here. Let us try it again. It's the network, nothing else. It's the network. Yep. So let's check other places. We have see anything there. The best you can do is just to be doing it one by one. But if you want to combine everything together, it'll take a while. So just remove. Fine. I just want to remove all the happenings so that I'll be having the texture, only the last texture left. So they're good to go like this. Good to go. So now we have dealt with the happening. So the face is clean now. So one thing we do again is just for us to go to this particular image. Just go to effect, go to artistic. From artistic, go down to the last part to emboss. So when you go to emboss, it's like when you go to Photoshop and you click on your image, you apply image and you subtract. So it's just something like this, like the inverse mode of this. So we are good to go like this. Just save it. Click on save here and save this, and you are good to go. So you can go back, you can discard. So what we do is for us to retouch this, let us smooth the face. Use the manual, smooth the face. Yes, let me increase it a bit. Okay, I've done that. So I'm going to smooth it again. I'm going to smooth the face again. You can see that our texture is still there intact and everything is cool and calm. So I'm still going to smooth it again the third time. Yeah, we are good to go. So one thing I need to do again is to fix all these ends. I'll press it all too sharp, so I'm going to fix them so that it can blend with the face. Yes, I don't want to be seeing excesses there. Just want to take it off. Just want to blend it off. Okay, so we are good to go. So I'm still going to work on these other ends too. I don't want it to be distracting from the main point of view, which is the face. The face is my main target, so I don't want all this to distract me from what I want to do. So here now we have our image clean. So one thing we do is just for you to click on. Okay, we are good to go. So we go to draw. This is draw. So we go to draw. From draw, this is your layer here. So you apply a layer, photo layer. So you bring this particular image that we did here. You bring it in. You can see. Okay, so you delete this particular one. So you're having this layer and this layer. Click on this layer and go to the blending mode. Go to overlay. You can see that we have restored back our texture. you can see that we have to stop back the texture. So one thing you can do is just to click on it and reduce the opacity a bit. Reduce the opacity a bit so that we can have a texture back. Yes, the opacity a bit, and we are good to go. So now we've gained back our texture, no pimple, nothing, no happening. So you can see this is our end. So one thing we do again, we are going to go like this. At least this is natural enough. But if you want to add any other what's called to it, you can go to like the lips. You want to work on the lips or the face. Like this eyes is too wide. So let me work on the eyes. It's too wide. So you can either make it big. Yeah. So you can see the mouth to the lips. So I just close it up a bit. Yes. So we are good to go. So let us go to the highlights, the relights also. So you can see. So let us change the size and the brightness, reduce the brightness. Yes, we are closer and closer. So another thing we can do is to whiten the teeth a bit. Yeah, it's too much. So let us just give it 0.10. I think 0.10 is cool. We are good to go. So the eyeball, you can actually change the eyeball to whatever you want. You can see. But I think for this face, let us use this particular eyeball. Yes, so we're going to go with this. So that's all about that. So you can change the skin color, the face, the makeup. Okay, let us try to add some makeup to it, like the lips. I want to add a little bit of pinkness to the lips. You can see. So adding a little bit of pinkness to the lips, or whatever color you like. Yes, I think I love this. So we are good to go. So every other details you can work on them, like these highlights. Let me work on the highlights. You can see. So this one is doing more of burn and dodge for you, but it's not really perfect. So we are going to just be adding not up to 50, like 30 points to it. Yes, so you can give us a good highlight. So now we are going to go. Out of the highlights, let us add contour to it. Let us add contour to it, or blush, and just add a little bit of blush to it. Yes, contour too. Let us contour it. I think I want to love this. And it comes to this. So let us see what happens to it. Yeah, you can see. So you can see that what's it called? Image is still intact. Texture not lost. Nothing is lost. Everything is looking nice. So let us reduce the contour, and we are good to go. So our eyeshadow. You can see just something kind of a bit. So nothing will be in the excesses. Nothing in excesses. So just stick it down. Okay, so our eyelashes, let us just brush it up a bit. Yes. We're gonna highlights. So we are good to go. So another thing we can do is just this HD portrait. If you like it, you can use it. If you don't like it, you can just leave the image the way it is. It's already looking cool and fine. So if you love it, you can use the HD. If you don't like it, just leave it. But at least it makes it look more clear and better. But this is the original, so let me just add a little bit to it. So you can see our image face is glowing and everything is kind of perfect. So here we can review some details. If you want to review details, like details of this note, yes, like where any detail is lost, you can reveal it. So like the details of this particular place here. Yes. With this, we are good to go. So I think that's all for now. That is all for all. So you can go to your let's go. And just if you want to level it, you can add level to it, but this is not necessary. You can add levels to it. But this is not necessary. It's cut. So you have your image clean like this. You have your image clean like this with no texture loss. You can see our texture, the leaves texture, all the texture is intact. And you are good to go with this. Good to go. Are we good to go? Good to go. So that's all about that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.